How's it going, my YouTube friends? Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. Today I will talk about Apple, and I will talk about something that probably most of you will listen, but I think this is my personal opinion, and I think if you agree with me, yes. If you don't agree with me, I completely understand. Come tomorrow with a new episode and I'll make a different video. But today I will talk about Apple, and the more important thing that I'm going to talk about today is to skip the iPhone 11. And hear me out first. Okay, so why you should skip iPhone 11? Because you already have iPhone 10 from the last year, so it's no point. It's waste of money to upgrade to buy iPhone 11. What you're going to get instead? You'll get an extra camera and 15 to 20% a little bit more faster processor. This is not something that I would like to desire. I would like to buy the iPhone. Yes, it's a massive upgrade. Let's say the iPhone 11 is completely changed with new design, something that is being different, something that is changed, something that is gonna make you feel, whoa, bar, this is crazy. This iPhone is amazing. I'll upgrade. But instead, you'll get the same 720p display, you'll get an extra camera and a little bit more faster processor. So that's why I think you should skip iPhone 11 in 2019 and wait until next year. I live in UK, and iPhone 11, most of the people will buy iPhone 11 contracts with SIM. You should not do that, because first, the iPhone 11, it's 700 pounds. It's 700 USA dollars. So if you want to be locked for 2 years and pay 60 pounds and maybe more a month for 2 years, this is very bad decision, because iPhone 11 is the same iPhone from the last year with new extra camera and the same processor. Okay, the processor is faster, don't get me wrong. Bionic 13 is fast, don't get me wrong, it's fast processor. But Bionic 12 from last year, it's faster enough, so it's no point. And you get extra camera. So for all of you that are thinking to upgrade, skip the iPhone 11. You're gonna waste your money. If you have iPhone 10 from the last year, if you can afford it, get the iPhone 11 Pro. It's better way. It's a smart way to do, because you have 10 and you want to upgrade, that's fine, get the Pro version. This is the better way. But if you have 10 and you want to upgrade to buy 11, this is bad decision and waste of money. Guys, my name is Stefan. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, smash the like button. If you not agree with me, I completely understand. You can not be happy, which is normal. That's why I make these videos, to give you my personal opinion, thing that I mostly thinking to do, and this is something that I want to share with you guys. So if you agree with me, that's good, thumbs up. If you not, understand. So my name is Stefan. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.